Just going to do a little video. It's the morning after the game. You habitually get up a little bit early. Just thought I'd document the end state of playing a role-playing game, ICRPG, here in our tiny little home, little duplex. Got a pretty good arrangement right now. Last night we introduced the characters to a small keep, which they fought up to, part of a larger war. There were some of the combatants there. You can see that. Journal, all my notes in. This is sort of the area that is my prep area for running the game. If I want something that's make something shortly, do a little better than this. There's some removable terrain. Some more of the box down there, which I know you can't see. And sort of my prepping area. And there are fish tanks. Not part of the game, but Shark Face seems amused when we have people in here moving all the bits around. They sit and watch the game. Same as the goldfish. They watch too. I haven't got a clue what's going on, but it's apparently a very interesting TV they watch. Had the counter space cleared off because I knew there was going to be a first floor. This one got rotated to basically orient towards the players. There's your front door, main hall, kitchen, 2-tower keep. And that segued through to same orientation here for the second floor. Basically, got to work on the differentiation, I think, of the walls. They're not quite popping as well as I'd like, but they're not bad. So basically what we're using is layered, in some cases, cheap-ass stick-on linoleum tile that we cut into individual pieces to allow us the modularity for design and storage. And because we knew they were going to be potentially fighting through 2 layers, we had the table cleared, this area cleared, and then we had set up over here another secondary area. Combat was completed before they had to go to the 3rd, 4th, or the basement. So I have just enough tiles sorted and stacked for each one. I think that's the basement there. And I'm pretty sure this is something else. I don't recall offhand. Probably the 3rd floor. And we'll try and get it all set up today. But yeah, it was a good game. We had 4 players plus me, and a good time was had. Again, we're playing an index card role-playing game by Runehammer Games. Mr. Hank and Fernell. Because I've played D&D for years. I don't want to learn the new edition rules. It sort of gets in the way of the storytelling and the gameplay. But basically yesterday we had three large battles. First one was on our terrain, which I have some stills of. Terrain tiles were stacked up over here. And it involved encountering some allies from prior games under attack, which they aided. And then they crossed a small plain to a large, most of this table was used up in a small segment of some some castle ruins. That entrance was used, and totally destroyed. Plus a bunch more in this box, which you probably can't see. I have some stuff that I made like 20 years ago, incorporated into ruins. Plus, put it in properly. Plus some other stackers here, aka Black Magic Crafts, right over in Manitoba. Wildly adopted. Let's get generic scatter. And these are the forces involved. If anyone's interested, I'll possibly do more video and keep her up. It was pretty cool. A lot of new concepts. And then the third battle encompassed storming this keep. And they basically encounter us up to the second floor. It's an interesting dynamic because opponents can come up this way, up and down, from below and top. And since there were only 4 players, made for an interesting game. So, that's about it. Here it is overnight. Oh, a quick shout out. I'll put a link in the description, but this is Cass's crocheted dice bag that she did up for my little girl. Thank you, Cass. More to follow on that.